Welcome to today's explainer, everybody. So, have you ever stared at a block of professional code and just wondered, how on earth are they doing so much with barely any keystrokes? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to completely level up your code efficiency. We're talking about ditching that clunky, verbose syntax that just totally clutters up your screen. And we'll do it by mastering JavaScript math operator shorthands. But, we're not just going to stop at the basics. We're going to untangle one of the absolute most common head-scratching traps for developers, the huge, and I mean massive difference between prefix and postfix operators. Okay, so let's just dive right into this with a really clear mental model. Picture what we might call the clunky old way of updating a variable. You declare my var, and then when you want to add 5 to it, you literally have to spell it out for the JavaScript engine. You say, take my variable, make it equal to its current self, and then add 5. I mean, it works, sure, but it is so repetitive. Now compare that to the sleek one-step shorthand the pros use, my var plus equals 5. This simple little plus equals combo, it's a real game changer. It tells the engine to just grab the current value and slap the new number onto it in one fluid step. Way cleaner to read, right? And the cool thing is, this brilliantly illustrates a pattern that applies to all basic arithmetic in JavaScript. Let's take our variable on a quick little mathematical journey. Imagine we start out with a value of 15. If we use our addition shorthand, plus equals 5, boom, we instantly bump that up to 20. Need to subtract? Easy, just use minus equals 10, and our 20 drops straight down to 10. We can divide using slash equals 2, cutting our 10 in half to 5. And finally, we multiply with star equals 5, bringing the whole thing all the way back up to 25. Seeing them all grouped together like this, you can really see how this shorthand completely standardizes the way we manipulate numbers. It saves time, saves keystrokes, and honestly, it just keeps your logic crystal clear. But guess what? We can actually take this efficiency even further. What happens when we just want to count up? Because in programming, we constantly need to increase the value by exactly 1, right? Like keeping score, counting items, moving through a list, that sort of thing. Now, we could write myvar plus equals 1. That's perfectly valid, and it would take our current value of 25 right up to 26. But JavaScript is awesome and gives us an even faster level-up shortcut, the incremental operator. We can simply write myvar plus plus. Those two little plus signs are literally the ultimate one-step shortcut for adding exactly 1 to your variable. But here is where things get super fascinating. And honestly, this is where a lot of developers run into a totally frustrating bug. Let's say our variable is currently sitting at 26. We decide to run myvar plus plus again, totally expecting to see 27 pop up in our console. But when we hit enter, it prints out 26. Wait, what? No way. It bafflingly outputs the old number instead of the new one. Why in the world did it completely ignore our command to add 1? Or wait, did it?